Super Easy Drawings. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Mickey Mouse and his friends, Minnie Mouse, Pluto, Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, and Goofy. I start to draw Mickey Mouse first, his eyes, his nose, then the shape of his face. I draw him a smiling mouth, then the rest of his head with his two big rounded ears. Now let's draw Minnie Mouse. I start with her eyes and eyelashes, her nose, and the shape of her face. I draw a smiling mouth for her too. Then the rest of her head, with a cute bow onto the top of her head between her two rounded ears. Let's continue with Pluto. I draw his eyes, his head, his mouth, his nose, and I draw his mouth open. Finally, I draw his two ears onto the sides. Into the next row, let's start to draw Donald Duck. I start with his eyes, his face, with his beak wide open. I draw his hat onto the top of his head. Next to him, I'm going to draw Daisy Duck. I start with her eyes and eyelashes. Then I draw his beak wide open. Finally, I draw the rest of her head with a nice bow onto the top. Last but not least, let's draw Goofy. I draw his eyes, his mouth, and nose, then his mouth open with two teeth. I draw his ears here, and finally, his hat onto the top of his head. Fantastic! Now I'm going to use this thick black marker to redraw all of them and color their skin black and their nose as well. Let's start coloring. Now let's color Mickey Mouse first. I use the cream marker for his face. Then this light red for his tongue. For Minnie Mouse's skin, I use the same cream marker. I color her tongue light red too. For her bow, I'm going to use this beautiful red marker. Sometimes she wears a red bow with white dots or a pink one, but you can color it however you want. I use this yellow marker for Pluto's skin. Then I color his tongue pink. For Donald Duck's beak, I use this yellow marker. Then this orange, and light red marker for his mouth. He is a white duck, so his skin remains white. For his hat, I use this blue marker. I use the same yellow marker for Daisy Duck's skin too. Then I color his mouth orange. And I add a little light purple here. Finally, I color her bow pink. She is a white duck, so her skin remains white too. Finally, let's color Goofy. I add a little black here and there. Then I color his skin on his face cream. I use this light red marker for his tongue, then this kiwi green marker for his hat. Fantastic! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.